Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita, right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my pork chop with mushroom. So come on, cook with Tita. Let's go through our ingredients first. I have 7 pieces of nice pork chop, family size. So like I've been telling you, I have a big family, so I have to cook for a big battalion. Mushroom, 1 pint. I think this is roughly 2 cups, clean, okay, already. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of bouillon, chicken bouillon that is, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper or to taste, okay? 1 large white onion, and I already chopped medium dice like that. Now, if you know me, always 1 bulb of garlic, peeled and smashed already. 1 can of cream of mushroom. This is 26 ounce. 2 cups of whole milk. Okay? And we are going to use 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil you desire. Okay? But today I'm using olive oil. This pot already preheated. Now we're going to put 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, like I said, today I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil you desire. Okay, just enough to coat the bottom of the pot or pans or saucepan you're going to use. Turn it up to medium high. We're going to start sauteing our garlic. Go ahead and saute your garlic. Couple seconds when they start releasing their aroma. Now I can smell the aroma now. Okay, so now we're going to put our onion, swish it around just like so, just enough to coat the onion, and it's beginning to release their aroma. Okay, and now we're going to saute, or we're going to put our mushroom. By the way, like I've been telling you all the time, every time I use my mushroom, I always wash my mushroom. Somebody said that they don't wash their mushroom because it accumulates a lot of water. Not for me. I wanna wash it. Okay, anywho, let's turn up the heat. We have a lot of stuff in there. It's not gonna burn. Okay, so we're gonna turn it up to high. So now we are going to put our Italian seasoning in here. Okay, so it would kind of release their aroma like that, like so. Okay, swish it around. Oh my gosh. Okay, that is really smelling good now, guys. Now the reason why we're not gonna leave it just sitting there, because you know the herbs, it's delicate. What I'm saying is you don't want that to burn. You just, you know, we're just toasting it. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Now we're gonna put our liquid in there. Okay, so let's turn it a little medium. First we're going to put our cream of mushroom. Let's scrape all the goodies out. Okay, like so. Okay, let's put mittens because it's kind of hot. Okay. Oh my goodness, guys. If guys, if you just have smelly vision. The Italian seasoning, the herbs, and everything in there, it's really smelling really good. Okay, so now, by the way, this is room temperature milk. Kind of be careful because you know your thingy in there inside is really hot, right? Stirring continuously while you're pouring your milk like that, so it would really mix thoroughly. Now we are going to put the chicken bouillon right here. Okay, be careful while you're stirring it because it's gonna be hot, right? So 1 teaspoon of salt, like I said, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, or to taste. Okay, now there it is. Okay, so let's mix this before we put our pork chop in there. Okay, so let's put our pork chop in there now, one at a time. Don't dump it in there. Okay, one at a time, like that, like so. I hope I have enough room, guys. It's gonna be tight because I didn't expect this pork chop to be humongous like this, but hey, can't complain, right? That is a big blessing in it. Oh yeah, we have a big room now. We have enough room. Now we have everything in there, right? We are going to turn down the heat because you don't want that to burn, okay? So we're gonna turn down the heat to medium high. Okay, medium high. Cook your meat until it's nice and cooked. Now remember, after all, this is pork, so you want to cook that thoroughly, about 35 to 40 minutes, and then we'll check. Okay, all right guys, this is how it looks when our pork chop is done. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the top of the rice, nice and tender. Okay, nice and tender. Okay, on the top of the rice, like that. Somebody didn't wait for me to get done. You know, as soon as I turn off the heat, they already get to it. So anyhow, let's turn this off. Okay, and let's try it. Oh my gosh, so tender. Okay, with some mushroom. Yum! Oh my gosh, guys, so delightful. It's so good and so delicious. Okay, so guys, that's about it. Enjoy my recipe, and I will see you again when you cook with Tita right here in my kitchen. So as I always say, guys, bon appetit. Bye.